Hello, today I'm gonna give you a quick tip. Quick tips are things that I do and I remember and I like to share with you. It's a very simple one. Sometimes, like now, I'm gonna do a video for the 5 best places to ride in Rio, and I'll be a bit far from the bicycle, from the Brompton, right? So a good thing to do is fold it like this and fold your pedal, because if someone takes it, you won't be able to pedal, at least not straight line, not right away, so you still can catch them. I know, it's a different quick tip, just that I remember. Hope you did like it. Thumbs up, and please be part of it and watch this video. Be a beautiful video. Be about this marvelous lake that you can ride along, and it's beautiful. Bye bye.